Parametric rolling has challenged ship safety for decades. When this dangerous phenomenon occurs, ships are exposed to extreme rolling motions that pose serious risks to the vessel, its cargo, and the crew on board. To prevent costly surprises, ABB Marine and Ports has partnered with CMA CGM to develop an algorithm that dramatically improves ship safety. By combining data from the past 20 years with the ABB Ability OCTOPUS, a marine advisory system, operators can proactively support the crew with speed and course adjustments before conditions become critical. With over 1,000 containers lost at sea every year, our new parametric rolling solution aims to maximize safety and minimize costly damages and environmental impact. While such incidents are rare, when they do happen, the consequences can be catastrophic. Being able to predict what's coming can help prevent serious risks to the crew, cargo, and the environment. If you're looking for a fleet-wide solution that enables cost-efficient, safe, and proactive voyage planning, get in touch. The ABB Parametric Rolling Solution may be exactly what you need.